You work hard for your money, save it, and trust your bank to keep it safe. But every year, inflation quietly erodes your cash's value. Imagine stashing $1,000 under your bed a year ago. Today, it buys less. That's inflation, the silent thief. Most savings accounts pay almost nothing in interest, while inflation eats away at your purchasing power. For every $1,000 in the bank, you might lose $30 or $40 in value each year. Your bank isn't protecting you, it's letting your money shrink. This isn't just a local problem, it's global. No matter where you live, your cash is likely losing value. In 2025, with shifting economies and supply chains, simply saving cash guarantees you'll fall behind. The solution? Make your money work harder than inflation. You don't need to be a financial expert, just have a simple, automated system. We'll build that system now, starting with your first $1,000. It's time to stop letting your bank be the gatekeeper of your wealth. Let's put your money to work and start building your rich life. Ready? Let's get started. Before investing, tackle high-interest debt, especially credit cards charging 18% or more. Investing while carrying this debt is like pouring water into a bucket with a hole. Paying off a 20% interest card is a guaranteed, risk-free 20% return, better than any legal investment. Every dollar spent on interest is a dollar you can't invest or use for your future. So, if you have high-interest debt, your first $1,000 should go toward crushing it. Be relentless. Negotiate rates, use the avalanche or snowball method, and get debt-free. This is the foundation of your financial future. Once the debt is gone, your money is finally yours to command. Now you can invest without the drag of interest payments. Don't skip this step. Your future self will thank you. With debt out of the way, you're ready to put your first $1,000 to work. Let's move on to building your wealth. Remember, paying off debt is the best investment you can make. It's not glamorous, but it's essential. Clear your slate, then start investing. This is how you pay yourself first. Now, let's see where your money should go next. With a clean slate, it's time to invest. Allocate 50%, that's $500, into a global stock market ETF. An ETF is a basket of hundreds or thousands of companies worldwide. Instead of picking winners, you're betting on the global economy's growth. You own a slice of Apple, Toyota, Samsung, and more. Over time, as the world grows, so does your investment. ETFs like VT give you instant diversification and stability. If one country struggles, another may thrive. Your risk is spread out. It's low cost, automatic, and takes the guesswork out of investing. Buy shares through a low-cost brokerage, and you're a global investor. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about steady, reliable growth. This is the foundation of your wealth-building machine. Next, add a growth engine. 30% of your portfolio, or $300, in blue-chip cryptocurrencies. Focus on leaders, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a major platform token like BNB or Solana. Bitcoin is digital gold, scarce, secure, and a hedge against inflation. Ethereum powers decentralized apps and innovation in Web3. BNB and Solana offer exposure to major crypto ecosystems. Diversifying within crypto balances risk and potential. Allocate, for example, $150 to Bitcoin, $100 to Ethereum, $50 to BNB or Solana. Buy on a reputable exchange. Crypto is volatile, so keep this to 30%. It's your calculated bet on the future. This segment can deliver outsized growth, balancing your steady ETF base. Remember, higher risk, higher potential reward. Stay disciplined and stick to blue-chip assets. Now let's add an income generator. The final 20%, $200, goes into high-yield stablecoins. Stablecoins like USDC or USDT are pegged to the dollar, so they don't swing wildly in price. In decentralized finance, DeFi, you can lend stablecoins and earn much higher yields than banks offer. While banks pay almost nothing, DeFi platforms can offer 5% or more. You're acting as the bank, earning interest on your digital dollars. This part of your portfolio generates steady, passive income. Reinvest that income to accelerate your wealth building. Acquire stablecoins on your exchange then deposit them into reputable yield platforms. Many exchanges offer simple earn products for this. This allocation gives you a cash flow machine and a buffer against volatility. Your money works for you 24/7. Now, let's recap your new portfolio. Here's your Venation Hybrid Portfolio. Simple, powerful, and built for today. 50%, $500 in a global stock ETF like VT, your anchor for steady growth. 30%, $300 in blue chip crypto, your engine for high potential returns. 20%, $200 in high yield stablecoins, your cash flow machine. This blend balances stability, growth, and income. You're diversified across thousands of companies and the digital economy. The ETF provides a reliable base. Crypto adds growth potential. Stablecoins generate passive income. Together, they create a resilient all-weather portfolio. Anyone, anywhere can use this system. Now, let's talk about making this a habit. Investing $1,000 is a great start, but real wealth comes from consistent action. The secret? Make investing a habit. Automate it every month. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your portfolio. Whether it's $50 or $200 a month, consistency matters more than the amount. Automate ETF and crypto purchases and let your system run. This removes willpower from the equation and keeps you on track. Wealthy people don't time the market. They invest automatically, rain or shine. Dollar cost averaging smooths out market ups and downs. Over time, your wealth compounds relentlessly. Today's $1,000 is just the beginning. Make this the start of a lifelong habit. Pay yourself first every month. Let your money work for you, building your rich life. Your portfolio is the vehicle. Your consistency is the fuel. Start now and enjoy the journey to financial freedom.